Welcome to another how-to video by Alpico. Today we're going to have a quick look at putting the vehicle registration number on a truck 3. At the main menu, press 09 together. Enter the code, which is 6 2s, then press enter. Then press enter to select setup. Enter again for parameters. Then scroll down to complete list. And then type in 460, and that will take you to the truck reg number. Press enter. Enter in your truck registration number. Once entered, press enter, and then press clear, and then scroll down to save and exit, press enter, then press clear, and then to return back to the main delivery menu, press 09 together. And you're back to the main menu.